Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is another basic level phonics lesson. Today we're going to be learning the sounds for E, W, U, I, and U, E. But first let's review the sounds from previous lesson. So go ahead and read these sounds on your own and then listen to check.
uh, uh, ooh, e, 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 o, o, o,
All right, now listen. Which sounds do you hear?
o, ooh, uh, e,
All right, I'll play them again and mark them.
o, ooh, uh, e,
All right, now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
f, o, full, uh, sh, push, uh, uh, k, book, mm, ooh, mm, moon, ooh, roof, uh, t, foot,
All right, now we'll learn the EW sound. So listen and repeat.
ooh, 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 chew,
Now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
ch, ooh, chew, f, o, ooh, flew, g, ooh, grew, d, ooh, drew,
Now let's look at the UI and listen and repeat.
ooh, 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 suit, s, ooh, t, suit, f, ooh, t, fruit, j, ooh, s, juice, b, ooze, bruise,
Now let's try the UE. Listen and repeat.
ooh, 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 clue, s, ooh, sue, t, ooh, true, ooh, hue, d, ooh, do,
Now practice reading these words and restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
s, ooh, t, suit, b, ol, ooh, blue, f, ooh, t, fruit, j, ooh, s, juice, ooh, new, k, ooh, crew, b, ol, ooh, blue, k, ooh, z, cruise, t, ooh, z, d, a, Tuesday, b, ol, ooh, blue, g, ol, ooh, glue, g, ooh, grew,
Now write the words that you hear, and then I'll play it a second time to fill in the correct answers.
crew, blue, suit, fruit, glue, juice, crew, blue, suit, fruit, glue, juice,
Right, now practice these sight words.
having, strong, wind,
Now practice reading the sentences and then listen and check.
the suit is a dark blue hue. A new fruit juice. The cruise starts on Tuesday. I grew a new fruit.
Right, now we're going to read the story Windy Day. So look at the pictures, read the story, and then listen.
On a sunny Tuesday, a crew in blue suits went on a cruise. They were having fruit juice on the deck when a strong wind blew. The juice flew off the deck. The crew stayed safe with no bruises. They used glue to fix the new deck, and the cruise went on.
All right, now read the entire story again, and when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
On a sunny Tuesday, a crew in blue suits went on a cruise. They were having fruit juice on the deck when a strong wind blew. The juice flew off the deck. The crew stayed safe with no bruises. They used glue to fix the new deck, and the cruise went on.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.